Welcome to Marine Data Solutions. Today, we will talk about Starlink boosts shift from satellite TV antenna. In the ever-evolving maritime world, low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites like Starlink are transforming onboard entertainment systems. LEOsat technology delivers high-speed internet up to 200 megabits per second with low latency, making it a game-changer for superyachts. Traditional satellite TV systems, with their complex installations and high costs, are being replaced by advanced solutions. LEOsat, combined with 5G and the MDS blender, offers faster and more reliable internet while simplifying onboard entertainment. The MDS blender aggregates up to 4 internet sources, achieving speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second and ensuring continuous connectivity. This integration eliminates the need for expensive satellite antennas and complex cabling, saving substantial costs in equipment and installation. Modern superyachts now use smart TVs and streaming devices, making the traditional satellite receivers obsolete. With a vessel-wide USA or UK IP address provided by the MDS blender, guests enjoy seamless access to streaming services anywhere in the world. In summary, LEOsat, 5G, and MDS blender technology are revolutionizing maritime entertainment by offering cost-effective, high-speed connectivity and simplifying the onboard experience. Embrace the future of maritime entertainment with these groundbreaking technologies.